Another day, just got off work and I'm on my way to pick up, roll this window up, on my way to pick up my poplin order. I don't do those often, and I accidentally picked up this one. I said I didn't want to do this person, but because it really doesn't show the address until after you pick it up. This is the young lady that let the dogs out, but I just went on and kept it because, you know, you mess up your ratings when you try to cancel. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. We're on our way to pick it up, and then we'll be dropping it off tomorrow morning. Don't have to be to work tomorrow until 1, so we'll have some time to do the laundry tonight. Maybe do a couple of spark deliveries tomorrow before we have to be to work. But anyway, I want you guys to come along with me while we go pick the water up. Laundry has been picked up. She had, oh Lord, the camera falling. She had 3 small bags, but those was kind of medium-sized to large bags and 1 small. But anyway, we're going home. We get ready to start on the laundry so we can drop it off tomorrow. Guys, this is all the laundry that I picked up from the young lady a few minutes ago. Now we're getting ready to put it in the wash. Just finished doing a couple of spark deliveries because I couldn't deliver the laundry earlier because the card had declined, and I had written down that I was not going to take this lady again because my head cut off, because her card declined last time. And I don't know if you remember, that's the one that let the dog out, even though she did help me take the stuff to the car. And I accidentally, not realizing that it was her, and then I looked in my book, because I have a book that I write down, do not take these customers. But sometimes it's hard because you're not able to see the address until after you take the customer. So I do have her written down. I'm gonna make sure extra cautious next time. And also I'm gonna see if I can get in contact with Poplin and let them know, oh, this one up, let them know, can they put the address so we can be able to see exactly who these people, because if you're doing this as long as I've been doing it, you can remember the address or write the address down, and they'll let you know, no, I don't want this customer. Yes, this is a very good customer. So I'm gonna see if they will do that, because that will be a great idea. But anyway, we're on our way back to the house to pick up the laundry, and then I want you guys to come along with me as I drop off this poplin order. He finally fixed the card so I can be able to drop off the laundry. So let's go drop this laundry off, and hopefully we'll never get it again. Alright guys, I was able to go ahead and drop the laundry off. I was going to ask why their payments always decline, but I decided not to. And guys, leave in the description if you would have asked, because this is the second time. So anyway, I'm going to see if I can put my Spark app back on and do 1 or 2 more apps before I have to be to work. Alright guys, I think they know. Hold on, let me roll this window up. The customer, like I said, the card was the second time it declined when I did the order. First time they didn't give me a tip, but this time they, I guess because it was like a more of a face-to-face drop-off, and they probably didn't know what to say because they knew that the car had kept declining. But anyway, make a long story short, I made $50.40 with that laundry. I forgot what the pounds were. If I can find a screenshot of how many pounds it was, I'll leave it somewhere up top. And then they also gave me a $20 tip. So I think they knew that they were wrong about placing orders and letting their cart decline. And this time it was more laundry than it was the last time. I didn't go to bed until 3, and because I only have one washer, one dryer, so it takes a little longer. But anyway, so with that order, I made altogether $70.40. So we're gonna see if we can get one more Spark delivery before I have to go to work. If not, I'm gonna come back and I'll close out the video. And also, she gave me a 5 out of 5 rating. So I think they knew they were wrong for what they did, because this is the second time they did me like that. But the first time, they didn't face me. Something about when you face somebody and they didn't go off, get mad, and I didn't say anything about their card. They keep letting their card decline, so I have to wait. I didn't say anything. But God showed up, and I got a $20 tip and a 5 out of 5 rating. So again, I'll be back if I get another Spark delivery. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, I know you can't see me because I'm at the gas station up under this little shelter thing. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and close out the video. I'll stop and get some gas. I'm going to go get me something to eat. Then I'll be on my way to work by 1 o'clock. I want to say thank you guys for always popping in, supporting. Thank you guys for who've already subscribed to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please come be a part. It is definitely free to subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the description. And let me know what other type of videos that you guys like. I know a lot of you guys like the laundry motivational, but a lot of time I don't have time to do those because of my work schedule. But I try to fit them in as much as I can. But anyway guys, I will see you in the next video. You guys be blessed.